Hello, for this demonstration we're going to show the UiPath robot accessing a website, in this case the Milton Keynes Chamber of Commerce website, finding all of the members who have U as the initial of their company name, extracting all the information for the website and putting it into an Excel spreadsheet. So let's just run the robot. Here you can see it opens up the browser, goes to the target page, pages through each of the individual members, gets their details, opens up Excel, puts the information in it, and then obviously the information has been extracted for the website, so it needs some formatting as we put it inside of Excel. So it starts to structure the information to make it look reasonably presentable and completes the process, and then leaves us with Excel to have a look at. That completes the demo.